How to add phone number on Facebook. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To add phone number on your Facebook, you need to head over and check out your Facebook application. Once you are in here, you need to head over and tap on the three horizontal line that is in your top right. Now from here, head over and check out your setting gear option. Right from here at the top, you will see Meta Account Center. Click on here. Now, under account settings, you need to check out personal details. In the personal detail, tap on contact info. Then over here, you will see a cell icon. Tap on it. Over here, if you don't have your number, make sure to add a new one, or you can just delete the existing one to add a new phone number. If you add a new phone number, a verification code will be sent to your email address. You need to enter the code firstly and tap on the continue button, after which you'll be able to add your phone number or delete your phone number on Facebook as well. So this is how you add or delete your phone number on Facebook. Isn't it simple? Make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.